Section 4, from article to stage. Now, when you go to conferences or any kind of business event and you see people on stage, you wonder, well, how did they get there? How did those people get chosen? There's a couple ways to be granted that opportunity. The first is to go to a conference website and fill out what's called the call for presentations form or the call for speakers form. What that means is you go out to a website, you fill out a bunch of stuff, you say, here's my name, here's the reason you should listen to me, and here's my proposed speaking topic. And that's what everybody else does too. And you may get selected and you may not, but here's a way to shortcut that. Anytime that you've identified an organization that has the attention of your target audience, and anytime you get that online editor to publish an article for you, again, that's objective and educational, you then use that article as leverage to get yourself the speaking gig. So instead of just filling out the call for presentations and hoping for the best, you find who's organizing that conference. And you send them an email, you give them a call if they have an office somewhere, and you say, hey, may I ask your advice? I recently had the opportunity to publish an article in your conference magazine, in your organization magazine, whatever it might be, in your online publication. Would you maybe give me some thoughts on how I could best perform this article for the audience at the upcoming conference? In other words, may I ask for your opinion as to what you would do if you were me? Now, what this is going to do is two things. First of all, it's going to make you known to this person who's helping organize the conference. You're going to go from being a ghost to becoming somebody who they recognize. Number two, you already have the credibility as being a published person within the organization's newsletter/website, right? So they have a reason to listen to you. And then number three, people love to give advice, and they even love more when you listen to their advice and then report back to them on what you have learned from them. So that would be the step-by-step process in this case. Identify who's in charge of the conference, take that article, get it to them, say, may I ask your advice? How do I best perform this? They're going to give you some advice on it. And then I can almost guarantee you that they're going to be rooting for you, if you have a good rapport, right? And they're going to be rooting for you to say, I'm going to help this person get on stage to perform this article, because that gives them a lot more confidence in delivering something that their audience needs by way of what you are offering. I will see you next in the worksheet section where we will talk about exactly how to build your plan. See you then.